This might be one of the coolest waterfall settings in Utah, but the Slot Canyon ended up being the best part. The trail actually starts with a pretty ordinary climb, but once the stream crossings begin, everything changes. Before long, we were hiking right through the creek, and the canyon walls just kept getting closer. The Slot Canyon is beautiful, and this ended up being my favorite part of the hike. Then we reached the main waterfall, and honestly, the setting is what makes this place so special. I thought that was the end, but there was actually another small waterfall waiting above it, and you can continue in the canyon beyond that. And the hike back out is just as amazing as the hike in. The waterfall was great, but honestly, the Slot Canyon is what I'll remember most about this hike.